Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you two things. Number one, I'm going to show you two methods which I'm using now to draw a nose. Then, second thing is, I'm going to show you how I'm drawing a realistic nose. This is going to be very easy to follow. So watch it fully friends. Method 1. In this, we will use 3 circles to form a nose. Draw 3 circles like this by overlapping and draw 2 parentheses on the 2 ends, then connect it down. So we get a basic shape of nose. Then start shading with the light grey pencil. I am using HB. You can also use 2H, 4H or HB. Then start shading the dark areas. I am using 2B pencil here. This is the second method which I am using to draw a nose. Follow this video so it would be very easy to you. As like the previous one, shading is common. Just do it as like same. Here I am using an 4B pencil to mark the dark areas. Mark the dark areas as you could see in the photos. Guys, I will show the formation in the side of this art, so you could compare it and learn it faster. Then I have taken a photo of Vidyut Jamwal, so I am going to draw his nose and show you how to draw a realistic nose.
That's good.
Here I am using an HB pencil to draw the outline. Then start shading it with a light grey pencil. Observe the photo carefully to see the light and dark areas. Here I am using a paper stump for blending. You can also use cotton bud or tissue paper, but paper stump is well and good for smooth blending. Then I'm start shading the dark areas with 2B pencil.
That's good.
Here in this photo we could see small dots in his nose. So I'm using a dark red pencil to draw the dots. Here I'm using an 8B pencil to draw the dark areas. I hope you guys this video is very helpful to you to learn how to draw a nose. Leave a comment if you want me to draw anything in my upcoming videos. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and join with my YouTube family. Thanks for watching.